Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Peaches and Petals for March. This, if you're not familiar with Peaches and Petals, is a monthly women's lifestyle subscription box. It is only $19.99. It's a super affordable lifestyle box when you compare it to others that are available out there. Look at this hair. What? I'm just going to cut it all off. Goodbye hair. Good grief hair. That's what I feel like saying. Alright, so it came in this like rather large oblong box. It's heavy too. Like I don't know what's in here. Alright, so, and I have not peeked. Because I know like the reviews are out there. They're out there if you look. Alright, thanks for watching mine, by the way. The best one. Alright, so mark your calendar. Spring begins on March 20th. Spring makes us think of fresh. My children are fighting right now. And their dad should be there stopping it, but he's not. What's happening? What world are we living in? I'll be right back. Alright, where were we? Alright, so we were unboxing this. Fresh starts. This month we're giving you a challenge. Pick a plant to add to your home and keep it thriving. If you're like us, the best choice might just be a cactus, but hey, that's a start. Add something new and beautiful to celebrate the new things this month brings. Alright. Alright, what's in here? Alright. There's a lot in here. Alright, so there's a little tote bag. I have all these blue crinklers. I don't want them all over. They're all over my life. They're in every corner of my home, guys. Just in case you were wondering. Let's run away. I'm a mom of four, so I can sympathize. I can totally sympathize. And this is like a really nice one. Usually, like, I've gotten a lot of little, like, linen bags. And they're like really like not the best material. This is really nice. It's like a thick like apron type. I like this one. So I'll be using that. Oh yeah, as a diaper bag. Anyway, it's like my kids don't really use diapers. Alright, so it says, ooh, look at this. It says, the beach is my happy place. This is from Occasionally Made, who we've received items from them before. So I love these towels and I collect a lot of them, but my husband gets mad. He's like, you do not need another one. And I'm having somebody over in a few days who would love this, and their birthday's coming up. So booyah, I'm going to give that away as a gift. Isn't it pretty though? It's so cute. All right, next we have some, ooh, this is from Green and Blacks. It says an ethical cocoa. Pure dark chocolate, 70% cacao, 210 calories. Dark chocolate bar, tasty. Isabel loves dark chocolate. I will be letting her use that. Ooh. Wow, look at here. All right, hold up. So this is a 5-piece antipasti serving set. So this is like a, with grape leaves. These are my favorite stuffed grape leaves. If any of my girlfriends watch this, they know. Every time we go out together, that's like my #1 order. So it does come too on this, like, wooden platter tray. This is great for when you have people over. I love it. Because also, think about that now, like they're saying, hold on, what just fell on me? Yowzers. Oh no. Oh, the slate broke. Oh no, that's what fell on me. I can't take it out. The slate smashed. Stinkeroni. Oh, it's on my bed. Ah. Oh no, that's a bummeroni, but it is what it is, right? Anyway, I could still use the board. Just not that slate piece. And then the little dishes, think about like when you have a cookout and you need something to put all your little condiment trimmings in. That works perfectly. I'm kind of bummed that was broken. Anyway, if you're interested in the full review, I'm going to link to that below. I'll also link to Peaches and Petals so you can check them out with my affiliate code. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.